Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, we are back. Okay, today I will show you the next part of the differentiation, which is we call chain rule. Okay, but before that, let's have a quick recall on differentiation. Previously, let's say if given to you y is equal to x plus 2 square, example. Okay, when the question required for you to find what is dy over dx. Okay, for this type of question, x plus 2 in bracket square, when you want to find the dy over dx, one of the alternative way that you can do is first you can expand this x plus 2 square to become quadratic. Okay, when I expand x plus 2 square, you will get x square plus 4x plus 4. Okay, now as usual, in order to find dy over dx, you need to differentiate term by term. So differentiate x square, you will get 2x, differentiate 4x, you will get 4, differentiate constant, you will get 0. So this is our dy over dx. Okay, this one is easy if the power is 2. What if, example, if the question asks you y is equal to, I will use similar example, x plus 2 the power of 50. Maybe some of you might think, teacher, can we expand? Yes, you can expand. If you want to expand, you need to use the binomial theorem. But by expand this kind of question, it takes you almost 1 hour to complete your expansion. Okay, we don't want to do that. Okay, the question still asking, find what is dy over dx. Okay, this type of question we can still find the dy over dx without expanding x plus 2 the power of 50. How? By using the what we call chain rule. Okay, how does chain rule is applicable over here? Okay, but before that, before I show you how to apply the chain rule, okay, first of all, the chain rule, you need to use the substitution. Okay, given y is equal to x plus 2 the power of 50. This is the question. Okay, step by step. Step number 1. Okay, another name for the chain rule we call substitution rule. Substitution rule. What does it mean by substitution? I will use the assumption. I will let u is equal to the term inside the bracket x plus 2, x plus 2. Okay, let u is equal to x plus 2. This is step number 1. Step number 2, when u is equal to x plus 2, what will happen to our question? So y is now becomes u the power of 50. Okay, so y is equal to u the power of 50. Okay, I will erase this part. Okay, in order to do the step number 3, after you write down y is equal to u the power of 50, step number 3, okay, step number 3, you need to apply the formula of chain rule. What is the formula of chain rule? Chain rule formula, it says that in order to find dy over dx, the formula for the chain rule is dy over du multiply du over dx. This is the formula of chain rule. Okay, how to apply this chain rule formula in this question? Okay, I will continue. Okay, step number 3, it says that you need to apply the formula of the chain rule. Okay, from here we know that y is equal to u power 50. Okay, when y is equal to u the power of 50, in step number 1 we know that u is equal to x plus 2. Okay, first equation, second equation. Okay, each of them differentiate one by one. Okay, first one, y equal to u power 50. So when I want to differentiate this, I will get dy over du. When I want to differentiate this, I will get du over dx. You see, in terms of y and u, dy du. In terms of u and x, du dx. Okay, one by one. Differentiate this one, power go down, power minus 1. So we will get 50 u the power of 49. How about this one? U equal to x plus 2. So du dx is equal to 1. Okay, so du dx is equal to 1. Now I have my dy over du and du over dx. Okay, next step, step number 4. Okay, for step number 4, what you need to do is apply the formula by using the information that we found over here. Okay, the formula of the chain rule said that dy over dx is equal to dy over du multiply du over dx. Okay, what is dy over du? From here, 50 u the power of 49. 50 u the power of 49 multiply, what is du over dx? Right over here, du over dx is equal to 1. Okay, since we are looking dy over dx, meaning our final answer must be in terms of x, you need to resubstitute again u with x plus 2. So the final answer will be dy over dx is equal to 50 in bracket x plus 2 the power of 49. So this is our final answer, 50 in bracket x plus 2 the power of 49. Okay, let's have a look for the second example. Next example, what if question number 2. Question number 2. What if I give to you y is equal to in bracket 5x minus 3 the power of 10. My question, find dy over dx. Okay, always remember, whenever you got this type of binomial equation, this is binomial, okay, 5x minus 3 the power of 10. In order to differentiate 5x minus 3 the power of 10, you need to apply the chain rule. Okay, remember the step I show you in example number 1. Okay, solution. Let u is equal to here 5x minus 3. Okay, so our equation right now becomes y is equal to u the power of 10. Okay, now what is the formula for chain rule. Dy over dx is equal to dy over du multiplied by du over dx. Okay, first of all, always remember, in order to apply this formula, the information that you need to find is this: dy over du, du over dx. Okay, so I will write again over here. So when y is equal to u to the power of 10, when u is equal to 5x minus 3, differentiate each of them. So dy over du is equal to 10u to the power of 9. How about this? Du over dx is equal to, differentiate 5x minus 3 equal to 5. Okay, using all of this, substitute inside here, chain rule formula. Okay, so dy over dx is equal to, what is dy over du? Here, 10u to the power of 9 multiply, what is du over dx? Here, 5. So the final answer, 5 times 10, 50. What is our u? 5x minus 3. So 5x minus 3 the power of 9. So this is our dy over dx. Next example. Example number 3. What if, okay, what if the question still asks you to find dy over dx, but this time y equal, in bracket, 4x square plus 1 the power of 5. Okay, 4x square plus 1 the power of 5. Find dy over dx. Okay, solution. Okay, for the solution, let u. So let u is equal to this thing, 4x square plus 1. When u is equal to this, what will happen to our y? So y is equal to u to the power of 5. Each of them we differentiate. Dy over du is equal to 5u to the power of 4. Okay, I differentiate this one already. How about this? Du over dx is equal to, differentiate 4x square plus 1, we will get 8x. Okay, now apply the chain rule formula. So dy over dx will equal to dy du multiplied by du dx. What is dy du? 5u to the power of 4. What is du dx? 8x. Okay, then what is the final answer then? So the final answer will be 8 multiplied by 5, 40x. In bracket, what is u power 4? 4x square plus 1 the power of 4. So this is our dy over dx. This is example number 3.